Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here with a 300-mile check-in on the Valvoline Restore and Protect on my F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I saw a video where the Valvoline Restore and Protect was clogging the oil filter at just a couple hundred miles, and I thought to myself, hey, I'm just gonna replace this, take a look inside. You know, it's cheap insurance to ensure peace of mind and that nothing goes wrong with the engine. This is the filter that I took off after 300 miles. We'll take a look at the pleating and go from there. Look at that. Here, there's something else up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. The adhesive came off of the top part of the filter. Look at all that debris. I would imagine it would impact the efficiency of the filter. Even the truck is like, what's going on here? The inside looks okay. I wonder if the Valvoline Restore and Protect is somehow reacting with the adhesive on the filter. Because here's the pleat when I pulled it from the Castrol Extended Performance at 2,500 miles, and you don't see a lot of that. I mean, it's dried out, but still, this is a lot of debris. I mean, that normal for a filter to have that much debris? Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Right now we have the Purolator Boss in there with the second round of Valvoline Restore and Protect. With the Purolator Boss in there, let's see if we continue to see this in the next oil change. I'm planning to run it until at least 2,500 miles. But hey, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe. You know, it helps me achieve my goals for this YouTube channel. Well, thank you.